Today we have conducted one special type 1 diabetes camp here in the MR Bangalore Hospital, where we accumulated 35 number of the patients here suffering from the type 1 diabetes mellitus. Out of total 69 patients, only 35 attended this clinic today. It is mass camp, you can say, where the patients across the different corner of the district has attended, and they are the known patient to us for last 2.5 years or more, because this type 1 diabetic clinic has been running for last 2.5 years, and government is providing free treatment to them, and the success is very much remarkable, and we are observing the progress of the disease condition of the patients, and they are very much happy. They are able to live very normal life for them. This today's special camp where we have tested them, that a routine checkup was also there, like the blood lab investigations for them, that is the kidney profile, lipid profile, sugar, that is the sugar test they used to do daily on their own. But the other lab investigation like the kidney test, kidney function, other metabolic functions, and also the retina screening that we have already conducted today. And all credit goes to the ICMER. I am happy to inform you that the entire participation from the MR Bangalore District Hospital staff, those who are engaged in the type 1 diabetic clinic, that is the weekly clinic. It is conducted there every Tuesday, and the district Chief Medical Officer's office and the program officers of the NCD. So these sales, ICMR, the MR Bangalore, this department. Also, I will thank to the UNICEF for their continuous support to the other program also in these hospitals.